Hello students, today we are going to be start 10th science. Let me start first of all with the physics, then we move for the chemistry, and then finally we go for the biology. So let's start with the physics. In physics, the first chapters we are going to be start. It's light. So students, already you know that in light phenomena we have to discuss about the photons, we have to discuss about the waves. So once the waves will come in our mind, then we have to think that we have to understand three basic phenomena about the light. The first, we can say that it's a reflection. Second, we can say that it's a refraction. And third, we can say that it's a dispersion. So we have to cover these three phenomena in our lecture. Let's start with the first one. It's a reflection. So the word we can say that the reflection, what thing is going to become in your mind? Then simply we can say that suppose I have an opaque surface, any light incident on it, and it will back bounce in a same medium by making the same incident angle and the reflected angle. So this phenomena is going to be considered as a reflection. Here we are little bit confused between the reflection and scattering of the light. In case of the scattering, same thing is occur, but it's not follow the law of reflection. The law of reflection, I just maybe explain here. Let's start. Simply we can say that I have an opaque surface, a light incident on it. Always keep in your mind, when you have to show the light, then you have to show the arrow. It's compulsory. It's going to be back bounce. Here we just going to draw the normal. Normal means 90 degree or perpendicular to the surface. So this is reflected rays, this is incident rays. So we can say that it is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Here we have a incident angle, here we have a reflected angle. So as per law of reflection, we can say that angle I is equal to angle R. So incident angle is always equal to the reflected angle. This is called as the law of reflection. One more thing, that once we talk about the reflections, then we have to keep in our mind that always incident rays and reflected rays both are in a same medium. So students, don't be confused with the reflection, scattering and refraction. In case of the reflection, always light will move from one medium or same medium, it will be reflect. In case of the scattering, light will be moved from one medium and same medium it will move, but its incident angle and its reflected angle is not equal. But in case of the reflection, incident angle and the reflected angle both are equal. Third thing, refraction. Refraction is little bit different phenomena. Let's do it. First of all, we just going to be a detailed study about the reflection, and to study the reflection we have to see basic terms with the mirror. Oh, you know that what you mean by the mirror? Then simply we can say that mirror have a three types. Always students are going to be say that mirror have a two types, but they always forget that. Here first one, convex mirror, concave mirror, and the next one is the plane mirror. If we talk about the convex, concave and the plane, then how we just going to be understand what you mean by the convex? Then if we just going to be consider that see, in case of the convex, its inside surface is plated and this outer surface act as a reflecting surface. Act as a reflecting surface. Similarly, in case of the concave, its outer surface is plated and inner surface act as a reflecting surface. While in case of the plane mirror, as usual we know that this mirror we use in our daily life. So basically there is a three types of the mirror. One is convex, one is concave and one is the plane. Here in case of the convex, its inside surface it's plated and outer surface act as a reflecting surface. Here inner surface act as a reflecting surface. Here any surface, any one side act as a reflecting surface. Here the plane mirror we are going to be used in our daily life. Okay, are you getting my point? Fine.